This Father Tony from Chennai, Satyanilayam, Institute of Philosophy and Culture. So I'm a Jesuit priest and I have come here several times just for a visit. But 20 years ago I came for the exposition and today is the 18th exposition, 2024. I'm very happy and indeed pleasure to come back again after 20 years. So it is a real privilege that I pray to God that I would go here and have a look at the relics of St. Francis Xavier. Since he belonged to my society, our society, as Jesuit, I feel proud that a person who has walked miles apart to come here to spread the gospel and the kingdom value. So my experience was huge spiritual experience of being with him and being able to see him, his relics at least, and pray to him and ask him to pray for us. That's my experience, and I was delighted to be here, and I'm very glad here to be in this place and have spend a quality time and celebrate Mass in the evening. Those 20 years ago also I celebrated Mass here, and today I happen to celebrate Mass here. That's a great blessing for me. Thank you very much.